Hang tight. Your
Thank
coffee
you.
maker's making me mad.
Huh?
Alright, we're recording.
Coffee maker's making me mad.
No, we're not.
Hi.
Hey, everybody.
That's Robert.
That's Julie.
It's our thing. Do you care?
I don't care. Do you care?
Yeah, I really do.
What do you care about?
A whole bunch of things.
She cares about a whole bunch of things.
I got 5 kids to take care of. That I care for. That I care for.
And guess what they got? We're going to show you.
Mm-hmm. Of course, I'm eating again. I always eat.
I'm behaving.
It's strictly protein.
I'm behaving.
It's salami. It's really good.
Salami, salami.
It's
bologna.
not as good as Aldi's salami. Aldi's salami is really, really good. But I already had this, so I didn't buy anymore. And I'm on a budget now. Okay. We went to Dollar Tree. And y'all will see, if y'all watch my channel, what I'm doing in my kitchen. It's not gnomes. Why are you looking at the screen?
Because I'm looking at your shirt. Jared's got to send you a shout out and a thank you.
Oh, I shoot raw?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Jared, it's too big. I need a 3XL. 3XL.
Just so you know.
Just so you know.
Okay.
Okay. Because I normally sleep in this, so I sleep with you all the time. A lot. Anyway, they had this little gingerbread man. It needs batteries, but he lights up. He's going to go on my table. I'm doing my kitchen in gingerbread man. And I never hardly ever do a theme in my kitchen. This year I am. I'm in the process of looking for little houses, a certain little house, to paint and make it look like gingerbread men, because I was watching This Crazy Life, and Amanda painted some houses that she had black. I mean, they were black, and she painted them a gingerbread color, and they turned out so cute. Even my roommate liked them. So I want littler versions. They had some, but they were churches at Dollar Tree we went to today. So probably tomorrow we'll go to another Dollar Tree, because we got to go to Walmart and finish grocery shopping, because I did a haul on my channel.
That'll be a $2 tree.
Mm-hmm. No, we're just going to go in for that specific thing.
So it'll be a $half tree?
Oh, wait. No, we're going to go in and look for steaks, because they didn't have the light steaks here, this one.
Okay. Okay.
So,
all right.
We're doing light steaks out front. So anyway, I'm doing my kitchen in gingerbreads this year. Everybody hangs wreaths. I'm doing something different. You'll have to stay tuned and watch. The crafting part will be here on this channel, though.
My stick is still here.
So, I don't know how it happened. Renee saw it happen. She can contest it. Jumped in my buggy.
This is a 2-bagger. It covers coffee cups and gingerbread men.
It says Happy Holiday, and it's a gingerbread man.
Was it
with a little gingerbread in it. Isn't that cute?
Was it $1.25?
Mm-hmm.
Save
no,
me
it was $3.
It was $3. Oh God.
Well, each piece was $1.
All right. I thought it was $1.25.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
$3.
I thought it saved me a little. I was like, ah.
The gingerbread man was $5. Okay. So,
Oh, you got the drop cloths.
No.
You didn't get drop
I
cloths?
do a village every year. Well, my snow's kind of getting old, because it's been forever since I've gotten some. So I got some new
Gray snow.
snow. It's not gray, it's white.
It looks gray.
Does it?
It's urban snow.
It does look gray, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It does look gray. She's gonna check it out, make sure it's not gray.
It's gray.
I told you it's gray. And it looks like urban snow.
I guess I will find some different stuff then.
She wants white snow.
Yeah, I want white. And then I got these little presents here for my table. I'm going to put these on my table because I'm doing the plaid in there also. Like I said, you'll have to check out my next channel. Then I got these. And I'm going to use this for my table. But I got this to set here in my tray. Because I have another tray I'm going to set out here that is over there right now. That I set out all year long except for the Thanksgiving. And I put this one out.
Trucks, 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 trucks. Oh. See? It's trucks and tree. And then what we got?
That's all of my stuff.
I get to do the
Oh
rest.
no, I got hooks. Tree hooks. We
Hooked
need more
on a
of those.
feeling.
Yep.
Anyway. For the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've been roaming around because we're painting the bedroom in the back. And we've had a problem. Every time we go to Dollar Tree, we forget the paintbrushes. So I got 5 paintbrushes.
So when you're at Dollar Tree, these paintbrushes work pretty good.
I mean, you can spend $10 on a paintbrush at Home Depot.
And it's the exact same
It's the
one.
same exact, basically same exact one. I mean, and I'm terrible on paintbrushes, so I don't clean them well
You know
enough.
what's really cute on these two?
What?
Is if you take them and paint this white, and you do a Santa hat with a nose and a beard.
I was thinking if I put a lei on it in a little hat for like Hawaiian. I got a Hawaiian grass skirt. Anyway, get your paintbrushes at Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 a piece. They work just as well as everything else in the long run. Hey. And then
My eyes are watering.
Molly has got this thing. She's got a play toy in the back. Molly's one of our kittens, and she's got this play toy in the back that's almost as big as she is.
She loves.
So I got her a couple other ones, a couple new ones, because the one she's got is getting pretty worn. So it's got a bell inside. Yeah, it does. It's got a little bell inside. I don't know.
And she loves this thing.
She loves the thing. So there's one.
She has a perch. She doesn't like the perch.
She's the trout kind of woman.
Percy plays with the perch.
But Molly's a trout girl. And then I got for $1.25 if you need light duty screwdrivers that are magnetic for just about anything. You can get 5 screwdrivers, which works out to be about 25 cents a piece. You can't beat that. And so I picked up those because I'm working on my model train. If I lose them, yeah, I go buy another one. You know, not a bad deal. And then
The pig.
our cat Pig makes a lot of sense, don't it? We got a pig and a hoss. He's got these green haunted Halloween fingers. This one, and
Pink, blue, green, and orange.
he loves them. So, but the problem is you can't find them anymore. We went back to the place where we got them. But the closest thing we could find was these hot sauce that looked like they came from Taco Bell. Taco Bell. Anyway,
He likes those.
he likes those just as well.
And Nibby likes the sushi.
Yeah, there's a little bunch of like shrimp and
And what Pig does is if he doesn't want somebody playing with his toy, he drops it in the water.
drops it in the water bowl and gets it soggy.
And then we have to throw it in the wash. 9 times out of 10, Renee's the one that washes them.
And then I got 2 different kinds. I think it's the same thing. Super glue. One of the things
One's gel, one's liquid.
One of the things that's going on. I'm working on something, and it doesn't hold for more than 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to try and see which one works best. But for $1.25, I mean, what are you going to do, right? I mean,
It
that's
holds
not
for 2 or 3 days. I can use that on nails, and it holds it for 3 weeks.
I know, but it doesn't hold my little hand railings for more than 2 or 3 days. And it pops off. I don't know why. And I soak it on there, and I put it on there, and it works. And then in about 2 or 3 days, I look over, and it's laying on the ground. It's me. I have no idea. So anyway,
And it's cardboard?
no, it's plastic. It's
I have some epoxy back there that you can use.
okay. Well, I'm going to use a welding iron, a welder. Yeah, if it works, it works. Okay. Is that all our haul?
That's our haul today. It's a small haul.
Shout out to Jared. She loves her shirt. I got one too, but I'm not wearing it.
And it's Frono's photo.
Yep, and I'm wearing my shirt from my channel. So Max Concert Photography.
And we'll put his link, his whatchamacallit, down in our description.
Yeah.
If you want a shirt.
If you want to take a look and see. But
he's really good on his photography.
So yeah, that's what we do when we're not doing this kind of stuff. So anyway,
he has a concert photography channel called Max Concert Photography, and he does shows you how to clean up a picture, or tells you about concerts and how to present yourself
and photograph them and all that kind of stuff. If in her Cook and Clean with Julie B, you got to check that out. If you want to learn to cook healthy, it's all good. So are we done?
I think so.
Stick a fork in it. Okay.
But anyway, just check us out on our other channels, and like I said, my craft stuff will be on this channel that I made yesterday, this past week.
We do this channel together just simply because what the hey.
And because I buy the stuff from Joann's, and we do
Dollar Tree hauls,
Joann hauls,
Holly hauls, Holly.
I'm going to put the crafts that I make on here.
Yeah, we do all.
But when I decorate with them, it's on my channel.
This is kind of our other channel for relaxing.
This is our fun channel.
This is our fun channel.
We're not here to make money.
Don't care.
We're not here to make money. We're here to have fun, show you what we get,
show you what we do in
bring
daily
you in
life.
our house.
This is our daily life.
And you can see I haven't cleaned this week. I have to clean next week. I have a video I'm going to have to get out for it.
Bleh.
Anyway, but I'm trying to get out a video now, I think, on my channel of us doing our bedroom.
So, normally, do we ask people to like and subscribe? We don't ever hardly ask you to like and subscribe, but if you want to like and subscribe, hey, we appreciate it. I mean, you know, it helps. And I think we're done.
Yeah, I think we're done.
I think we're done. That's still Julie.
That's Robert.
Hey, it's our thing.
Do you care?
No, I don't care.
Me neither, but really we do.
What are we caring about?
I don't know. We got 7 cats to care for. Plus, we care for our viewers.
Our cats are our pride, are our own. So yeah,
Yes, we have our own pride.
Probably next week.
Talk to y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.